Welcome. You will be talking to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell for everyone. Like the video and watch the previous videos. Sorry for this long introduction. Galaxy S23 Ultra features. The phone supports shooting 8K videos with excellent stability and shooting angle. Excellent cameras, whether in shooting photos or videos. Very pioneering materials, as usual from Samsung. Full support for the S Pen and it comes inside the phone. You will get the strongest performance thanks to the leading Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with the fastest UFS 4.0 storage memory with very fast LPDDR5X RAM. It comes with the latest Android 13 operating system with the latest Samsung interface, One UI 5.1. The AMOLED screen with the least possible curvature at the edges offers a distinctive experience, as usual. Samsung, in addition to its support for the highest frequency of 120 Hz while maintaining high brightness under the sun. Loud and distinctive stereo sound. Disadvantages of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra Mobile. Charger head and earphones are not included in the phone box. You will need some time to get used to the weight of the phone, as it is relatively heavy. We do not know why the charging speed was not developed for 45 watt. As usual, a large protrusion of the rear camera. The most prominent changes of the phone from the previous generation S22 Ultra in the use of a more powerful processor and faster storage and RAM with a 200 megapixel main rear camera with adjustment. Stereo sound to be better and reduce screen curvature.